Hello guys, today I will show you WordPress CLI operation, which is command line operations. So in using CLI you can activate plugins, you can install, and you can see user list and many things you can do. So for now I will show you how to deactivate and activate plugins. Okay, let's go to this is our staging server, and I will go to its server side using party. You see it's our staging site, so I have logged in and I have become root for this server, and I will go to its root folder, which is staging.mynaturesdelight.com. So whatever the operation you want to do, you have to go to your server root folder, not like um, it's a machine root folder. I mean in Linux root folder it's not like that, but you have to go to your server root folder, which is staging.mynaturesdelight.com. So I will show you in this folder you will be able to use WordPress CLI operation. So first of all, I want to see available plugins we have, which is WP plugin list. Oh, sorry, I did a mistake. So I did not go to the root folder yet. Okay, now I have in server's root folder, so I should be able to see plugins. Okay, so as make sure this is a note. If you have become your machine's root user, you have to use another thing, which is, otherwise you can use sudo dash allow root. Okay, now it should be working. Okay, so this is all the plugins we have in our staging site. This is really good. It's update available or not, you also see, and you can update as well in here. um, and whatever the version it has, auto update, it's complete database. Um, you will see here update version available and install version, whatever status, active, inactive, whatever. Okay, so let's see what this is also your plugins slack. So if you want to deactivate any plugin, so for now pep API v2, it's active. Okay, it is active plugin. I want to deactivate it, so I have to write WP plugin. There can be any chance that you have a one plugin which is installed and cause your server in error, you can't access in your dashboard. Like in here you can access here because you have something wrong with any plugins you have installed. So how can you deactivate, how can you disable? Otherwise you will be in trouble. So you have to go to your server root folders like this, and you can deactivate plugins. So you can also delete the plugin. Deactivate pep API v2 allow root. You see PAP API v2 deactivated success. Okay, now I will see the list again. Press upper key to use commands you have already used, like this. So I have pressed upper arrow key, up arrow key of keyboards, and will I can, so that I can reuse plugins, sorry, commands that I have already used. So I will see the plugins status. Now you see PAP API v2 inactive. Okay, now I want to reactivate this plugin. So press up arrow key again. Okay, so I found the comments. Now I want to activate the plugin. Okay, great. Now it's activated again. Now I want to see the list again so that I can confirm it's active. Okay, you see it's active. So this is how you can active and deactivate your plugins, install, deletes many features available in CLI. It's necessary, it's important to also used in DevOps. Using this operation you can develop a DevOps scripts as well for automation, like updates and pushing to production. So this is really cool features of WordPress that we can use command line instruction. Okay, so this is what this is for today. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe my channel so that I can release more tips and tricks of technology side, and that's it. Okay, if you have any questions, please comment, and if you want to let me if you want to know anything about it, and if you have any confusion to, and if you face any issues to do that, please put a comment so that I can help you. Thank you again.